It is sunny out here today in Tampa, Florida. So I was sitting on my couch thinking about how I could help you guys deepen your understanding of getting more people to buy your stuff and where the problem may actually lie, if the problem exists for you. So if you're watching this video and maybe you're not converting enough people or nobody and you haven't figured out why. So I hope this little analogy that I'm going to show you right now is going to help you understand how to fix the problem. It all begins with understanding that there's three parts of the process of two parts before the conversion. There's the traffic that comes to your website, okay? And then there's the leads that you get from the traffic, and then it's the conversion of the leads to your opportunity. So let me give you an analogy that'll help you hopefully understand, all right? So, it's a bit of a crude example, but I want you to appreciate something. So first of all, let's talk about traffic. Now, I've turned on a water hose. Okay, this right here is traffic. Okay, this is traffic, never is turned off. Now, whether that traffic comes to your website or not, it doesn't really matter. There's always traffic out there headed somewhere. Now, once you get good at getting some of the traffic that's flowing to come in your direction, here's what's going to happen next. You're going to go from traffic to lead generation. Okay, now you're going to generate some leads. All right, now here's where most of you mess up. You see how many leads I got? And you start asking yourself, well, when is somebody going to convert on what I have? Because I got so many leads, I got so many people coming. Well, here's conversion. That's conversion. This is how it works on the internet. Okay? Let me do it one more time. so you understand. All right. Traffic. Coming to your website. Leads. Leads on top of leads, right? And conversion. That's how it works. So what you have to do, first of all, is you have to never turn off your lead flow. You need to have overflowing lead flow. Because some of you get leads and then you stop because you're worried about converting leads. Keep converting leads. Never, ever, ever stop. Never, ever, ever stop. Why? Because of this right here. You want to do this. This is what happens. This is conversion. 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 But do you see the percentage here? Do you see how much? Do you see the conversion rate based upon the amount of leads that I got? Does it make sense? So if you can get this analogy, then you can start to probably get more results. Where a lot of you are is this is your lead flow. Actually, that's not even flow, is it? These are your leads, and you haven't even got to the point where you can get anything out of there. Some of you have your leads like this. Some of you like this. You get leads here and there, leads here and there. You don't really know what you're doing, right? Then you quit. Go back to square one. You change opportunities. Then you try again. I can't get anybody to sign up. I'm not getting enough people to sign up. It's because you don't have enough leads. You got to keep building the leads. 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 Lead flow. Lead flow. Lead flow. That's why they call it lead flow. This is flow. Traffic, leads, conversions, 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 conversions. The industry standard is about 3 to 4% conversion rate. You can actually make it 6 and 7 figures. But where most of you go wrong is that you haven't really understood this part. So, right? So most of you think that if you have this much leads, it should be this. But that's just not how it works. It works in the reverse of what I just showed you guys. So I'm done. I just want you to understand, if you're having problems, it's what I just showed you is the problem. How you see your lead flow. Now, one final thing. When you get good at leads and you get better at lead overflow, which I don't have underneath me, when you start to get that lead overflow like this, something else is catching that lead overflow. And that's where you get your second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 100th opportunity to actually catch some of those people so you can convert them. That's what your autoresponder is for. That's what your Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp is for. But this is the game of the internet, if in its most rawest form. I don't know if I can make the analogy any better than I have, but I would implore you to figure out how you can fix your problem based upon what I'm talking about. Is the traffic coming? Is the traffic coming consistently? From that traffic, are you capturing some leads consistently? And are you getting enough leads so we can start tripping that conversion rate? Leads, conversion. Leads, conversion. 2, 3, 4% conversion rate, you can do really, really well. But some of you are saying, man, I got 50 leads and nobody bought. Well, maybe 50 leads for you is here. 60, 70, 80. Maybe you need to increase the lead flow so you can get to the point where you come into the range of conversion. That was the whole point of this demonstration. You got to get in range of conversion, and if you're not in range, you're not going to convert. Don't beat on your leads. In other words, don't like some of you are sending too many messages to just the same people. If you set it up right and you just keep the lead flow coming, you're going to convert some of the people on the front end, and then you convert some people in the middle, and then you convert some people on the back end. But you got to fill up your lead pipeline. You got to fill it up, and then it has to be overflowing all the time so you get the little bit of conversion. Does it make sense? Am I helping somebody? All right?